Hi! In this video, we will go through 3 different methods of transforming tables, ranging from the simplest to professional techniques. Tables can often have incorrect formatting if they come from external sources, such as medical devices or Excel worksheets. So standard tables are very tedious to create properly from external sources, considering table borders, styles and font formats in cells, title numbering, captioning and style, or table sizing and aligning. Even if your table didn't come from an external source, it might still have issues from improper authoring. Seeing this huge number of requirements, no one is wondering that it is quite easy to miss any step of the table reformatting process. Let's see how the different techniques can support our daily work. Word templates are easy to create and implement in your document. However, there are some caveats to them. Unfortunately, the Word application extended with advanced templates cannot provide us with many tools to search effectively. We have the Find Table function to go through the document and check the tables one by one manually. However, we cannot search only in the table cells to verify the cell styles, and we have to sift through the tables manually to find small texts. Let's see how can we transform this table to the expected format, having a well-prepared template. This is a rich formatted data table with lots of formatted elements, borders, fonts, colors, everything you can imagine. A dedicated table style is created for covering the company's specific formatting requirements. Its name is Data Table Style 1. If we apply it, then the table appearance is changed, but we have to align the header and the total row settings. In our template, we have special styles for various purposes. Let's see them on the Style pane. We have to manually select the proper style for the header row, which is the table cell 11 left. For the table body part, first we select it. Then we apply the proper style, which is table cell 10 center. For the footer, we follow the same steps as we did before. Now we have an almost perfect table. We just need to remove the character formattings, such as coloring, bold text, and so on. We have to select the needed cells and reapply their styles. What we have here is a standard formatted table. One table didn't take too long to transform. However, if you have dozens of tables, this method will be extremely time-consuming. Additionally, you have to keep in mind that the templates will have to be updated, which requires enormous effort. Let's get to the next method of transforming tables. Using Word macros means the next level towards perfection. With them, we can complete lots of things. We are able to detect table formatting problems because we can build complex conditions into the search functions. However, we have to recognize that using macros, the presentation of the various errors is not so easy, not to mention the difficulty of navigation to the site of the problem. We must also mention that searching for problems with macros in huge documents is very taxing on the computer itself and can cause blinking screen or freezing. On the other hand, with Word macros, not all, but many authoring functions can be automated. Let's see what we can do with our table if we have a special macro dedicated to finding small fonts in tables, and another one to format the table to the expected appearance. On the Developer tab, in Macros, we can find our 2 preloaded macros. Correction is for transforming the table, and Small Text is for finding small texts in tables. Let's run Small Text first. We can go one by one in the list of errors, or decide to stop moving forward. It can detect the problem and highlight its place. Now let's see what the other macro does. After selecting the desired table, we can run the correction macro from the list. As you can see here, the table borders are updated with the correct styles. The header row, the body part, and the footer part are also formatted with the needed table cell styles. While macros are great for automating repetitive, complex formatting tasks, they are hard to update and can become slow. Additionally, Creating complex macros is not a trivial thing to do. So let's see what the next level of table transformation looks like. Word add-ins are safe, reliable, and very easy to use alternatives to the previous methods. Special, dedicated add-ins can be useful in the verification of submission-nominated Word documents. Other advantages of add-ins are that they are easy to distribute and update. Let's try transforming our table with the add-in, OnStyle. In this example, we will make OnStyle detect the table-related issues we want to fix. We can select the needed table and caption inspection modules and add them to our favorites inspection group. When we click the Favorites button, all modules are executed. Then the found issues are displayed on the result pane. We can review the table-related problems one by one, and OnStyle will navigate us to the given place. Let's ask OnStyle to correct all the table-fitting issues with just one click. It's also possible to start correcting the small font issues one by one, or do them in batch to save us time. In this example, we will transform an inserted table in just a few clicks using OnStyle. We only have to click Apply Table Style and set the header row number to the expected format. This table is now reformatted with the correct border and style settings. If we don't want character-level formatting, we just have to select the cells and click the Cleanup button. So in this video, we learned 3 different techniques to transform tables to be compliant. Templates are tedious to use and prone to human error, but easy to create. Macros, on the other hand, can become hard to master and unstable. However, they are less burdensome to use. Word add-ins are the best options so far to use when authoring compliant documents. They are by far the easiest and most reliable. Thank you for watching this video. If you don't want to miss upcoming videos, subscribe to our channel. See you soon.